Hmm. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about relationship between molarity and molality. You can derive formula in this video, and you can solve this problem two methods by using relationship between molarity and molality by using that formula, as well as without using that formula also you can do this problem. Okay. So first I'm going to derive relationship between molarity and molality. So I think so you know that one molarity formula, molarity equal to number of moles. You can assume this solute by 1 by V liters you can take, okay, or VML you can write 1000 by VML. And molality, small m equal to number of moles, this is per kg. I am converting to grams, W grams of, this is solvent. So this is, if you take this is equation 1, this is, and equation 2, you can take equation 1 by 2, what will get? This is equation 1 and equation 2, we'll take equation 1 by 2. So what is going to be cancelled here? So NB will be cancelled. 1000 also will be cancelled. What is the reminders? Now check it. So I'm writing here molarity by small m equal to W grams of, this is solvent, weight of solvent, VML, volume of solution. This is the finally reminders. We know that one weight of solution equal to weight of solvent plus weight of solute. Weight of solute. So you can write here solvent weight equal to W of solution minus weight of solute. You can write. So now I am going to calculate weight of solution, nothing but density of solution into volume of solution. You can write. So I hope you know that one, density equal to weight of solution by volume of solution. From here I can get weight equal to density into volume. Clear? Minus weight of solute equal to number of moles of solute, this is B, into gram molecular mass of solute. Okay, I'm taking MB here. So you can take MB. I hope you know that one, number of moles equal to weight by gram molecular mass. Is it clear? So weight equal to what you can write? W equal to N into molecular mass. So like that you are substituting. Now you can substitute above formula, molarity by small m equal to weight of solvent equal to weight of solution minus density into volume minus number of moles of solute into molecular weight of solute by VML. So small m equal to what you can write here? Small m equal to nothing but molality equal to capital M into VML of solution. This is divided by density into volume minus NB into MB. Is it clear? Now I am dividing. So we are both side, numerator and denominator. I am doing here 1000 by V. We are multiplying with 1000 by V, both side, numerator and denominator. Okay, 1000 by VML. This is solution. So what we'll get here? Very simple. Molality equal to M into VML into 1000 by VML divided by density into volume of solution. This is okay. Here also 1000 by VML minus NB by VML into 1000 by VML. We are also doing here into MB. So what we can write here? Check it. So VML be cancelled, and VML also going to be cancelled. Now check what is the reminders here again. What we can write? NW by VML of solution into 1000. This is nothing but molarity. This is nothing but capital M again. Okay. This is nothing but capital M. So finally, whatever remaining terms I'm writing, please check it. So small m equal to capital M into 1000 by density into 1000 minus, this is molarity, capital M into molecular weight of solute. This is the relationship between molality and molarity. So we can apply this formula and we can try to solve above problem. So they given find the molality of 10m H2SO4 solution. This solution has density they given 1.84 gram per ml. Is it clear? Please note down this question. This we are going to be discussed. So make and substitute direct formula. Molality equal to molarity they given 10 into 1000 by density they given 1.84 into 1000 minus molality again, molarity 10 into molecular weight of solute, nothing but H2SO4 here, that is 98. By solving this is, we'll get here 10,000 by how much, sir? That is 860. By solving this is approximately we may can get 11.627 mole per kg. Is the units of molality. Clear? By solving this is we can get. So without using this relation, we will try that is without using that relation. So they given 10 m H2SO4 and density they given 1.84 gram per ml. This is the information they given. What is the 10 m means? 10 m meaning 10 moles of H2SO4 dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Is it clear? So 1 liter they given. So I can find out weight of solute. What is the weight of solute here? How many moles here? 10 moles. Number of moles into gram molecular mass, nothing but weight of solute. 10 into H2SO4 weight is 98. We'll get 980 is the weight of solute. And weight of solution I can find out. Weight of solution equal to density of solution into volume of solution. I think this basic formula, density equal to weight by volume. So density how much? 1.84 into volume of solution 100 ml. 1 liter equal to 100 ml. Can I write? It's nothing but 1000 ml. Can I write? So 1000 ml. So I can get here 1840 ml. Now check it. So nothing but grams you'll get here finally. Density is also gram per ml. ml be cancelled. 1840 grams is the finally weight of solution. Then weight of solvent. Weight of solvent equal to how much we'll get? weight of solution minus weight of solute. What is the weight of solute here? 980. How much will get, sir, here? Can you check it? I think so, 860 only. One 840. You can calculate, sir. 860 only will get. 860. This is the weight of solvent. Then I hope you know that one. Molality equal to formula given weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by W grams of solvent. Anyway, number of moles this is. What is the number of moles here? Already we calculated. 10 moles they given in the question only itself. 10 moles of H2SO present into 1000 by 860. Again, you will get your answer, which is 11.627 m. So you can try with formula, without formula also. Both methods are given. I hope you understood. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.